We pride ourselves on our people and our incredible service. So when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. We'd like the opportunity to provide you with a great experience. We really work extremely hard to provide the best possible service, and we're proud to know that according to our reviews, people appreciate our efforts and agree that we're doing a great job. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. So why wait? Contact us today at the number on your screen. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.